Hey, do you want tons of free traffic to your affiliate offers? If so, watch this. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, guys, I'm gonna share with you absolutely new information that I just learned, and I'm going to try it right now, guys. This is so brand new. I'm doing the video before I really jump into the site, so I will be doing another video on this in a week or two, let you know results. But it looks very, very powerful. Anytime that you're trying to market affiliate products, you want traffic. You have to have traffic to these offers, and there's tons of different places, but one place that I just found out about is a place called Quora. Quora, right? I think that's how you spell it, either Quora or Quora. Whatever, link will be below. You can check it out for yourself. But I found out about this site through some webinar I was on about a week ago, and I never heard of this place. Apparently, people have heard of it, but I guess this site gets a ton of traffic, and it's a great way that you can drive traffic to not only your affiliate offers, but if you have products of your own, you can drive traffic to it. It reminds me, from what I've seen, like I said, I'm about to sign up for it right now, but it reminds me of Yahoo Answers a little bit. It's basically a platform where people go to find out information. They go and ask questions about basically anything, right? So whether you have a product like health and fitness, like I do, money making opportunities, like I talk about, business related, all kinds of stuff, all kinds of subjects that they're talking about on Quora. Now, during this webinar, the guy was talking about the site. I will say this: you have to be strategic about it, but it's pretty simple. So say you're in the health and fitness niche. What you want to do is obviously, join the site, and then you want to find people talking about or asking questions related to whatever you're promoting. But instead of, as soon as you see somebody was like, oh, I'm looking to lose weight, instead of you just popping in and putting a link to your affiliate product, like, boom, got it, check this out. No, you want to be a person, right? And this one, I'm going to try it out, guys, and I'm going to let y'all know results. But you want to be, what's up, my camera? So high. You want to be a person, right? So you want to be helpful. Be as helpful as possible. So if a person asks, how to lose weight, you want to come in, give them some stuff, tell them like it's all about, you got to burn more calories, than you take in. You need to work out, 3 to 4 times, like whatever. Give real advice, no matter what niche you're in. You want to give real advice, because that way when people read it, by the time they do get to a link that you share, to your product or to your blog or whatever, or your YouTube video. I think that's a great way to get traffic to YouTube videos, by the way. But we'll see. Give real advice, and so by the time they do get to your actual link to wherever, they'll trust you a little bit and be like, oh, this dude or this girl know what he or she's talking about. Like, okay, so let me take it there. That is the approach that I was taught in the webinar to use with this site. So think about it, guys. If this can get you some nice free traffic, why not take an hour a day and go in there and engage with people and leave real feedback? Because this can be huge for people that's not trying to spend money on paid ads, which a lot of people, especially getting started with affiliate marketing, a lot of people don't have money to spend on Facebook ads and YouTube ads and stuff like that. So a lot of people are looking for free traffic, but they want free targeted traffic, and this site to me has potential to give you that, but we're gonna find out shortly. All right, but I will put a link to Quora in the description so you can check it out for yourself, and also you can come back and let other people know how your experience is with Quora, if it's giving you traffic, if it's not, and we can discuss it. All right, so guys, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel. All right, because you see, I'm bringing content. You say whatever, but you cannot say I'm not bringing that content. All right, till the next time. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.